Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Monday morning, today is the 16th day of November. I had to think about that for just a second. 3:15 in the morning, the temperature is already 46 at the Montgomery Airport. And since we're 3 hours away from sunrise as I make this, temperature will come down a little lower. What a big change, huh? From 80 degrees yesterday to only 60s today, and some very chilly nights in our future this week. I'm going to show you some of two of the coldest nights on the board. And by the way, when is it going to rain again? The Montgomery Airport's only had 0.05 inches of rain. We're halfway through the month, and this is our very active month. This is the secondary severe weather season. The normal rainfall so far is 2.09 inches, and we're not anywhere near that. I will show you, though, when the next storm system will arrive, and we'll take a peek into Thanksgiving weekend as well, and the latest on Hurricane IOTA, which is about to slam into Central America.
What a big change. Much cooler air has overspread Alabama and the southeastern U.S. Now the leading edge of cooler air has made it all the way down into central and south Florida today. So yeah, instead of the upper 70s like yesterday with lots of humidity, how about upper 60s today? Tonight's low 41. So the nights are colder. North winds at 4 to 8 miles per hour today. But a nice string of days ahead after that cool start tomorrow morning. We're looking for a great fall day with temperatures only in the 60s for the next few days. And look at this. Some of the coldest mornings are Wednesday and Thursday morning when we could see some upper 30s even into South Alabama and maybe near freezing up in the northern counties of the state. So Wednesday will be a cold start, but cool sunshine, and really a great string of storm-free days. It is so rare this time of the year, a very active time of the year, to see so many storm-free days in a row. I think we start to warm up on Friday. That's something to look forward to. We're into the 70s on Friday, and I think we make it into the mid-70s on Saturday. Still warm and still dry, and the nights will start to moderate as well. Now, this is very rare in the third week of November to see a rainfall pattern that many days, rain-free through Sunday. And this is tornado season as well. It's a very active time of the year. So we're only in the upper 60s tomorrow after it'll start at 41, and then only in the mid-60s on Wednesday and Thursday after some upper 30s in the morning. Then we make it into the 70s on Friday and into Saturday on the mid-70s, and we start to warm up at night as well. This is Monday the 23rd as we start Thanksgiving week. Looks like showers and thunderstorms back into picture. The start of maybe 2 or 3 disturbances that move through on Thanksgiving week. So here we go. As the warming trend begins on Friday and continues through the weekend, it looks like that warming trend will continue much of Thanksgiving week. So much of the nation will be above normal on Thanksgiving week. Meanwhile, we cast our eyes on very dangerous Hurricane IOTA out there in the Caribbean, about to make landfall probably tonight. Now with a scary 145 mile an hour winds, category 4. Look at that. At noon, they have the winds at 155 miles per hour. That is only 2 miles away from being a category 5. So as it makes landfall in Nicaragua and affects Honduras as well, I expect that there could be a tremendous loss of life from mudslides and very heavy rainfall like IOTA caused just a few weeks ago in Central America.
Yeah, so what an interesting November we have going so far with half the month over. Things probably will turn around later in the month, but we'll keep an eye on it for you. Live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on Newstalk 93.1 and live on CBS 8 and ABC 32. Meteorologist Ryan Stint and I will be talking weather on Alabama Rising this morning. There will be another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. and your forecast whenever you want it across the dial on the Blue Water family of stations. That's a given every single day of the year, including Christmas Day. I'll see you later. Have a good one.
Rich Thomas Weather.